Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix request failed due to a fatal device hardware error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the request failed due to a fatal device hardware error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to check whether your internet speed is working properly or not. For that, you can open any browser and check. Just type in this fast.com. After typing fast.com, just hit enter. Here you will find your internet speed. If your internet speed is working properly, then close this window. Then try the second method. Just click on this search menu, then type here CMD. Right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Here you need to type chkdsk space /r space /f, then hit enter, then type y, then hit enter. Now this volume will be checked the next time system restarts. After restarting, then check the second command, that is sfc space /scan now. Then hit enter. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes. After completion of this, restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. After restarting, still you are facing the issue, then you can check by replacing your hard drive, because due to your hard drive failure you can face these type of issues. That's it guys. So this way you can fix the request failed due to a fatal device hardware error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.